And all. In this class, we try to discuss about slope deflection method for continuous beam. So we'll see first problem. Analyze a continuous beam shown in figure and draw bending moment diagram. Is given that two spans continuous beam. For the first span, a load of 60 kilonewton is acting at 4 meters from the left support and 2 meters from the right support. If you consider second span, that is BC span, uniformly distributed load of 30 kilonewton per meter is acting. Here, if you see the supports, support A is fixed, support B is a roller support, and support C is a again it is a roller support. And the moment of inertia for the first span AB, it is I. Moment of inertia for second span is also same, that is I. And E value is constant for both the spans. Okay, this is about the loading and type of supports and all those things. So for this type of problem or any type of frame structure or any structure, by using, if you want to solve by using, if you want to analyze by using slope deflection method of analysis, then first step what we need to do is we have to calculate fixed end moments. We need to calculate fixed end moments for the uh, fixed end moment is depends upon the applied load and the type of load. Applied load and type of load. Here it is a eccentric load. It is not acting at the center. It is not acting at the center of the span or center of the beam. It is acting some eccentricity from this one. So for eccentric load or unsymmetrical loading of point load, we have a formula for the calculation of fixed end moment. So if it is point load is P acting at A from the left support and B from the right support, then fixed end moment at A is equal to, so it is fixed end moment. If the load is acting in this direction, opposite to this load, that is sagging moment will develop at the both ends. So this is one fixed end moment generated here because of application of load. Fixed end moment is developed in the fixed end, and another fixed end is developing on the another fixed end. So here this moment is anti-clockwise moment. Here this moment is fixed end is clockwise moment. So this moment will be considered as positive. This moment is will be considered as a negative. So what is the formula for the calculation of fixed end moment for the AB in the direction of AB is P B square A by L square, where B is this one, this length is B, and this length is A, and total length of this member is L. Then fixed end moment at A is equal to PB square A by L square. For the B fixed end moment for BA, fixed end moment from B to A is equal to PA square B by L square. So this is positive and this is negative value. So like that we're going to calculate. So by using this formula, I want to calculate fixed end moment for this span. Okay, this span, AB span. So MFAB is equal to formula is P into B into B square, P into B square A by L square. So here B is equal to 2 meters, A is equal to 4 meters. So 60 into A into B square by L square. So if you calculate this value, fixed end moment for AB in the direction AB we are getting is minus 26.67 kilonewton meter. Why we are getting minus sign? Because of this moment is acting in the direction of anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise moment will be considered as a negative. So it is 26.67 kilonewton meter we are getting. If you consider MFBA, fixed end moment for the BA direction, fixed end moment for the support B in the direction of A, MFBA is equal to P A square B by L square, or PB A square by B square, PB A square by L square. This is a formula. Here P is equal to 60, B value 2, and A value is 4. If you calculate a fixed end moment for the span AB in the direction of BA, MFBA is equal to 53.33 kilonewton per kilonewton meter we are getting. Similarly, for the calculation of fixed end moments for the BC span, we have a, so it is something like fixed beam, it is a fixed beam with uniform distributor load condition we need to take. So that is WL square by 12. WL square by 12. This is also WL square by 12. Okay. This is also WL square by 12. This is also WL square by 12. But the sign is different. Here it is acting is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. So if you calculate by using this formula, WL square by 12, W value is so we are getting MFBC is equal to minus 90 kilonewton meter. Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are getting minus 90 kilonewton meter, and MFCB is equal to same formula WL square by 12. We are getting 90 kilonewton meter. So like that, for any problem by using slope deflection method of analysis, first we need to calculate fixed end moments. So fixed end moments depends upon the applied load on the span, applied load on the span. For different loads, we have different formulas. So we are discussed earlier. Once again, I'll show here. So these are the fixed end moment formulas. If point load is acting at the center, fixed end is PL by 8 and PL by 8. So this is anti-clockwise and this is clockwise. If concentrated moment is acting at the center, then M by 4, M by 4. So both are in clockwise direction. Okay. Next, uniform distributor load WL square by 12, WL square by 12. Uniformly varying load. So intensity ఎక్కువ ఉన్న దగ్గర WL square by 20, WL square by 30. So like that we are I have given this PPT and I shared this PPT in our course web. Go through this course web and try to remember these formulas. Okay. So also shared one problem course web and already shared the link in your WhatsApp group. So go through that video. So that is also slope deflection method analysis of continuous beam. Okay. So first step we are completed. We are calculated fixed end moments. Now second step, generation of slope deflection equations. First step of fixed moments calculate చేసుకున్నామండి. Now second step is generation of slope deflection equations. Here for a member AB or for the span AB, two slope deflection equations will be there. First one is in the direction AB, total end moment is MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula. Okay. Total end moment. This is fixed end moment. This is total end moment is MAB. MAB is equal to MFAB that just now we are calculated. MFAB plus 2EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula for the calculation of fixed end moment. If you want to calculate for the member BC, if you want to calculate fixed end, sorry, this is not fixed. Slope deflection equation for the member BC. If you want to calculate a slope deflection equation for the member BC, MBC is equal to MFBC. Substitute in place of A, substitute B, in place of B, substitute C. That's it. MBC is equal to total moment for the member BC is equal to, in the direction of BC is equal to MFBC plus 2A by L, 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta by L. అంతే అండి. ఇప్పుడు మనం BA డైరెక్షన్కి వెళ్తున్నాం. టోటల్ మూమెంట్ ఫర్ ది ఇన్ ద BA డైరెక్షన్ చూడండి ఫస్ట్ AB డైరెక్షన్ లో టోటల్ మూమెంట్ MAB is equal to formula total movement in BA direction and total movement in BC direction, total movement in CB direction. So we will get 4 slope deflection equation we will get. So generation of slope deflection equation is the second step. So these are the two fundamental formulas you need to remember. So MAB is equal to MFBAB plus 2EIA by L plus 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. You have to remember these two formulas. MBA is equal to MFBA plus 2EI by L, theta A plus 2 theta B minus 3 delta by L. So these are the two formulas for a one span. ఒకటే స్పాన్ కి ఎంఏబికి రెండు స్లోప్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయండి. స్పాన్ ఏబికి ఎంఏబి ఒకటి ఉంటుందండి, ఎంబీఏ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. సో వి విల్ గెట్ 2 slope deflection equation for single span. Similarly, we'll also get 2 slope deflection equations for span BC. MBC is equal to MFBC plus 2EI by L 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta by L. MCB is equal to MFCB plus 2 theta by L plus theta B plus 2 theta C minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula. So like that, substituting all the theta A, theta B, delta values, so we will generate slope deflection equation for MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB. Okay, here we are writing theta A is equal to 0. Theta A epudu 0 avutadandi? If it is a fixed support, theta is equal to 0. You remember these 3 conditions. If theta epudu 0 avutadi, theta and delta is 0 for fixed support. Theta and delta values are 0 for fixed support. And support A దగ్గర, if you consider support A, here theta A is 0, delta A is equal to 0. If you consider support B, theta is not 0 and theta B will be there, but delta is equal to 0, delta B is 0. If you consider support C, theta will be there and delta will be there. And theta A దగ్గర theta A మాత్రమే 0 అండి, theta A only 0. Substitute theta A is equal to 0 in these equations and substitute fixed end moments. Just now we are calculated fixed end moment for MFAB is equal to minus 26.67 and so I'm substituting it here. MAB is equal to MFAB minus 26.67 plus 2 EI by L. What is the length of the first span? Length is 6 meters. So 6 meter I substituted here. 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. Here support is not synced, deflection is not given in the problem. So deflection considers 0, delta is equal to 0. And in this equation, you substitute theta A is equal to 0. Why? Because it is a fixed support. For the fixed support, theta is equal to 0 and delta is equal to 0. So if solve this one, MAB, we will get equation MAB is equal to minus 26. Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, some disturbance is there with network quality of network. Okay, like that I will calculate equations for slope deflection equation MAB, MBA, MBC, and MCB. Okay, so we will generate 4 equations. After getting these equations, we'll go for equilibrium. In first step, we are calculated fixed moment. In second step, we are generated slope deflection equation. In third step, we are forming equilibrium equations. We are forming equilibrium equations. If you see the member B, if you see joint B, we have a sigma MB is equal to 0, moment at B is equal to 0, and sigma MC is equal to 0. చూడండి, sigma MB is equal to 0 అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 moments are there. First one is MBA. This is a moment, total moment BA direction, total moment in BC direction. That means here total moment at this joint will be 0. That means MBA plus MBC will be equal to 0. So third step law equilibrium equations. In that first one is sigma MB is equal to 0. That means MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. Okay, add MBA plus MBC. So you will generate another equation. And sigma MC is equal to 0. Moment at ఎందుకంటే చూడండి రోలర్ సపోర్ట్, ఫర్ ది రోలర్ సపోర్ట్ సిగ్మా ఎంసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎంసీ అంటే ఏంటండి ఓన్లీ ఎంసీబీ. సో ఈక్వేట్ ఎంసీబీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఎంసీబీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఓకే, ఎంసీబీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే నాకు ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ వన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈఐ టీటా బి ప్లస్ 2 ఈఐ టీటా సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఇట్లా వచ్చిందండి. సాల్వ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ సాల్వ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, క్యాల్సీలో మనకు ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయండి. ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ టీటా బి టీటా సిలో ఎట్లాగో ఎనీ ఆఫ్ టీటా ఏ 0 మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్ని కూడా టీటా బి టీటా సిలో ఉన్నాయి. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ మనం సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. క్యాల్సీలో ఉంటుందంటే ఈక్వేషన్స్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతే ఈ వాల్యూస్ మీరు ఎట్లా కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చేస్తే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా టీటా వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయండి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఈఐ టీటా బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 70, ఈఐ టీటా బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 70 అండ్ ఈఐ టీటా సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -170, ఈఐ టీటా సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -170. So substitute theta b and ei theta b and ei theta c in first equations. మన స్లోప్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇక్కడ మనం జనరేట్ చేసినాం కదా. MAB is equal to -26.67 plus 1/3 ei theta b. సో ఇన్ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో మనము జనరేట్ చేసినటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్ లో మీరు theta b theta c వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే you will get final end moments. MAB is equal to -3.33 kilonewton meter, MBA is equal to 100 kilonewton meter, MBC is equal to -100 kilonewton meter and MCB is equal to 0. So like that you will get final end moments. So these are the final end moments, not applied moments. So these are the end moments. So now we are getting end moments is first one MAB is equal to -3.33 and all those things we are getting. After that what we need to do, we have to draw the bending moment diagram. So net bending moment diagram we need to draw. So net bending moment diagram అంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ because of applied load కి మనము we need to calculate sagging bending moment. So for point load is acting at A distance from the left support and B distance from right support. Then what is the formula for the calculation of maximum bending moment? It is PAB by L. PAB by L square, I think so. So PAB by L square, that is the formula for the calculation of maximum bending moment. If you calculate that one, we will get that as 90 kilonewton meter. You will get that is 80 kilonewton meter. So this is PAB by L. So not L square. This is PAB by L. That is the formula for the calculation of maximum bending moment. For point load is acting at a distance A from the left support and B from the right support. We are getting 80 kilonewton meter. Okay, this is applied load, and because of applied load of uniform distributed load, so maximum bending moment formula is WL square by 8. WL square. Okay, bending moment for the applied load. To draw bending moment for the applied load. So here applied load bending moment is, this is the applied load bending moment. Now you draw bending moment for the fixed ends, fixed end moments. So fixed final end moments. Okay, bending moment for the final end moment. Okay, final end moment MAB వచ్చింది ఎంత వచ్చిందండి -3.33. ఇక్కడ B దగ్గర సపోర్ట్ B దగ్గర ఎంత వచ్చిందండి 100 వచ్చింది, సపోర్ట్ C దగ్గర నుంచి 0 వచ్చింది. జాయిన్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ జాయిన్ చేసుకోండి. So because of uniform distributed load, applied load bending moment is parabolic variation. Because of point load, bending moment distribution is linear variation. You draw this diagram and hatch it. So here at the support we will get negative bending moment. Because of applied load, the load above this one fixed end moment, this is called positive bending moment. This is positive bending moment. This near the support, whatever the hatched portion is there, that is negative bending moment, and this is also negative bending moment. So this is the bending moment diagram for the given figure. Okay, we get given continuous beam. Once again I'll repeat the procedure. First step, we need to calculate fixed end moments. In second step, generation of slope deflection equations. Third step, equilibrium equations. And the fourth step, calculation of sagging bending moments and drawing bending moment diagram. And the next step, if we ask you to draw shear force diagram also, next step we'll calculate reactions at each support by taking free body diagrams and drawing shear force diagram. That is the procedure. So this is this problem is completed. I'm already shared one video, that is fixed beam. For continuous beam, I am solve one problem. I am shared it in course web. You go through that video. If you have any queries, you can ask me. So this is another problem. This is 3 span. This is 3 span. It is similar to the previous problem, but here additional moment is there. Additional span is there. Because of additional span, for this fixed end moment will not be there. Direct end moment is equal to 40 into 2. 40 into 2. End moment is equal to 40 into 2. Like that, we'll see. We'll calculate. I'm given this notes in our course web. Go through these notes. If you have any doubts in this problem, also you can contact me, or you can call me or message me. Go through this one. What you have to do is you have to note down the problem. Then only you can understand. మీరు నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోకపోతే మాత్రం అర్థం కాదండి ప్రాబ్లము. ఇది ఒకసారి క్లాస్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత మీ వీడియోని నేను కోర్స్ వెబ్లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను. వెళ్ళండి, చూడండి. చూసిన తర్వాత నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకొని అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోకపోతే నాకు పర్సనల్గా మీరు మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ గ్రూప్లో కూడా మీరు మెసేజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అన్న డౌట్స్ ఉంటే క్లారిఫైడ్. ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఇస్ రిగార్డింగ్ కంటిన్యూస్ బీమ్స్. విల్ మూవ్ టు ది analysis of frames with sway and without sway. Is it visible? Right now 34 members are in our class. Okay, right. Analysis of frames with sway and without sway. So we'll see what is sway actually. What is sway? Sway is nothing but a side movement of end of column in the frame is called sway. Side movement of end of a column in a frame is called sway. This is a column. This is a frame. Actually, this is a frame. The frame consists of 2 columns and 1 beam. If you apply any load or anything, if you any displacement, then it will try to move in this direction. If the column moves away from its original position, then it is called sway. Sway antamandi. Otherwise, if sway depends upon loading and differential supports. Different conditions lo sway situations vastayandi. Okay, if you see these diagrams, diagram A, B, C, D, so like that we have 6 diagrams we have. If you see first diagram, sway is possible or not? Sway is possible. Here this is a frame. We are applying load only in this direction, left side. We are applying load horizontal direction from left side. Because of this applied load, the frame try to move from the original position to another position, B position to B dash position. Okay, so that means this frame is a sway frame. This first A frame is a sway frame. Okay, if you consider this frame, we are applying load at joint B, but we are restricting joint B by providing roller support. That means we are not allowing displacement for the member BC or AB. A portal frame ki manam displacement allow cheyatledu. So this is a B is a non-sway frame. Sway is prevented by unyielding of the support. Because of by providing the support, we are preventing the sway. So this is a non-sway frame. This second is a non-sway frame. We consider third one also. Third one is also sway is prevented by unyielding of support. So this is a non-sway frame. Okay, here if you consider this figure, the load is symmetrical loading. Here load is applying here for this frame. This load is a symmetrical load. L/2 from each support. So L/2 from the each support. That means the load is a symmetrical load. So symmetrical load kabatti this is a non-sway frame. Non-sway frame due to symmetricity of load. D. Next one, E. This is also non-sway frame because of symmetricity of load. This is a single load. This is 2 loads acting symmetrically. A from each support. Each support nunchi W load is acting A from each support. Okay. Next, F is also, if W1 is equal to W2, W1 here W is there. If the load is same, then only it is a sway frame. non-sway frame. Otherwise, W1 here W1 load is acting, here W2 load is acting. In that situation, sway is possible. Sway is possible. Okay, load అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు, డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్ అంటామండి. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్ డ్యూ టు సిమెట్రిసిటీ ఆఫ్ లోడ్. ఏ హైట్ లో అయితే లోడ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే హైట్ లో యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, సేమ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ లోడ్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుందండి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. ఇఫ్ ద హైట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా లోడ్ అనేది బి దగ్గర డబ్ల్యూ లోడ్, డి దగ్గర డబ్ల్యూ లోడ్ యాక్ట్ అయినా ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. లేదా W1 is not equal, W అనేది డిఫరెంట్, W1 యాక్ట్ ఇక్కడ W2 యాక్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. ఓకే, స్వే అంటే ఏంటంటే మూమెంట్, నాన్ స్వే అంటే మూవ్ కావట్లేదు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్స్ అండ్ నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్స్. ఓకే, సో విల్ అనలైజ్ one rectangular portal frame by using slope deflection method of analysis. ఈ పోర్టల్ ఫ్రేమ్ అంటే మీరు భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఏం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. చూడడానికి అట్లా ఉంటుంది, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ క్లియర్లీ. అనలైజ్ దిస్ ఫ్రేమ్ షోన్ ఇన్ ఫిగర్ 1.8 1.18a by slope deflection method and draw bending moment diagram. Draw bending moment diagram. Here one frame is there, supports are two fixed supports at A and D, fixed supports. For member AB, for this member AB, moment of inertia is I, length of member is 4 meters. For member BC, moment of inertia is 2I and length of member is 6 meters. And for member AB, load is load is not acting on the member AB. Load is not acting on the member DC or CD, but load is acting only for the member BC. Load is acting only for the member BC. What is the intensity of load? That is 40 kN throughout the length of the member BC. So here moment of inertia is 2I. For the member, moment of inertia is only I. For the member CD, moment of inertia is I. So for this, we're going to solve. For any type of problem, if you want to use slope deflection method of design or moment distribution of method, what we need to do, first step, we have to calculate fixed end moments. Fixed end moments. Okay. So for the fixed end moment, okay. For member MFAB, MFBA, MFCD, MFDC, fixed end moments are 0. Why? Because load acting on the members is 0. No load acting for the members. Any type of load will act out. So that's why fixed end for the MFAB, MFBA, MFCD, MFDC is equal to 0. Next, if you consider member BC, a uniformly distributed load is acting throughout the length of the beam or the length of the member. Okay, for that we need to calculate fixed end moment. Fixed end moment for the, fixed end moment for the uniformly distributed load act fixed end moments formula endandi, WL square by 12. Just now we have seen WL square by 12. Okay, W is a 40 kN per meter, L is the 6 meters, WL square by 12. For left support, that is anti-clockwise movement is acting, so that's why it is negative minus 120 kN meter. For MFCB, that is right side support, clockwise movement is acting, so that is positive, that is 120 kN meter. So after calculation of step 1, we have calculated fixed moments. After calculation of fixed moments, we have to go for the second steps 2. That is step 2 is formation of slope deflection equations. Formation of slope deflection equations. Here we have 3 members: member AB, member BC, member CD. So 3 members is there. So that means we will generate 6 number of equations, 6 number of slope deflection equations. First one is MAB, second one is MBA, third one is MBC, fourth one MCB, next one is MCD, last one is MDC. Like that, we'll produce 6 number of slope deflection equation we're going to produce. Okay, how to produce this slope deflection equation?
What is the formula for the slope deflection equation? MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. That is the formula. The formula is same even though it is a beam or a frame. The slope deflection equation formula is same. Okay, once again I'll repeat the formula. MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2EI by L plus 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. That is the formula. Okay, if you see this, we have at support A and support D, those two are the fixed support. That means theta is equal to 0 and delta is equal to 0 for the support A and D. Theta and delta are 0 for the support A and D. Okay, so substitute theta A and theta D in these equations. You will form these equations. It is theta A and theta D, delta value theta A theta D value 0 చేయండి. డిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు కదండి ప్రాబ్లంలో. డెల్టా వాల్యూస్ ఏమి నాట్ గివెన్. సో substitute delta is equal to 0 and theta value 0, theta A and theta D is 0 in this equation. MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB and MCD, MDC. You will form six equations. After forming the 6 equations, you have to move to this third step. Third step ఏంటండి? Formation of equilibrium equations. Equilibrium equations ఏంటండి? ఇక్కడ చూడండి. For this member, at a joint, summation of moments is equal to 0. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని జాయింట్స్ ఉండండి? ఇక్కడ జాయింట్ B ఉందండి, జాయింట్ C ఉందండి. For these two joints, sigma MB is equal to 0, sigma MC is equal to 0. జాయింట్ దగ్గర ఏ మూమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయండి? MBA ఉంటుంది, MBC ఉంటుంది. C దగ్గర MCB ఉంటుంది, MCD ఉంటుందండి. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ది జాయింట్ B, ఎనీ డౌట్? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So first step we are calculating fixed moment. In second step we are formed slope deflection equations. In third step we are generating equilibrium equations. That is sigma MB is equal to 0. Sigma MB is equal to 0 అంటే MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. The moment at this point is 0. That means MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. Moment at this C is equal to 0. Summation of moments at C is equal to 0. That is MCD plus MCB is equal to 0. That we need to generate the equations. Equilibrium equation sigma MB is equal to 0. That is MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. We will form another equation. Next, at joint C, summation of all moments is equal to 0. That is MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. You will form another equation. After solving all these equations, you will get theta B, theta C values. We will get theta B and theta C values. Substitute theta B and theta C values in this MAB, MBA, MBC, MCD. You will get final end moments. You will get final end moments. You will get. Okay. Final end moments you will get by substituting EI theta B and EI theta C values in this equation. Just second step lo manam form chesinam kadandi. MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD, MDC values equations we are formed. You substitute those values in these equations, you will get final end moments. Final end moments you will get. Okay. For this problem, we are getting final end moment for MAB is equal to 36 kilonewton meter, MBA is equal to 72 kilonewton meter, MBC is equal to minus 72 kilonewton meter, MCB is equal to 72 kilonewton meter, and MCD is equal to minus 72 kilonewton meter, MDC is equal to minus 36 kilonewton meter. Okay. So these are the final end moments. By considering these moments, we have to draw fixed end moment. Okay. Okay. And for member BC, a load of 40 kilonewton is acting. For that, we need to calculate sagging bending moment. So sagging bending moment ఎట్లా calculate చేసుకుంటామండి? It is like a simply separated beam. Uniform distributed load act అయితే మనం maximum bending moment formula అంటే WL square by 8. So maximum bending moment is WL square by 8. W value is 40, L value is 6, WL square by 8. WL square by 8, we are getting 180 kilonewton meter. So this is sagging bending moment. This will be considered as positive bending moment. We are drawn here first figure ki manamu ఇది డ్రా చేసినామండి. నెక్స్ట్, ఫర్ ది BC member, for the BC member, what is the moment at B? BC 72 kilometer అండి. MBA ఎంత అండి? సారీ, MBC ఎంత అండి? MBC -72. MCD ఎంత? నెగిటివ్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? దిస్ ఇస్ యాక్టింగ్ కౌంటర్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. కౌంటర్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ కాబట్టి -72 వచ్చిందండి. MCB ఎంత? 72 అండి. MBC is equal to -72. Why? Because this is a anti-clockwise movement. This is an anti-clockwise movement. And MCB ఎంత అండి? 72. But it is clockwise movement. Clockwise movement. This is clockwise movement. So 72 అండి. ఫస్ట్ BC మెంబర్కి మనము BMD డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసినామండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేసిన నేను, because of given load, applied load ki sagging bending moment I am calculated, that is WL square by 8 I am drawn. That is variation of bending moment diagram is a parabola for uniformly distributed load. I am drawn this one. After that, I calculated final end moments for MBC and MCB. The MBC is a negative moment, that is I am represented here. MCB, for the MCB, it is a positive bending moment. This is clockwise moment. I am represented here. I am drawn this one. So whatever this portion, remaining portion after this one, I am drawn this one. This is positive, net positive bending moment. This is called net positive bending moment. Here it is net negative bending moment. Okay, for the BC member I am drawn this bending moment diagram. Coming to this column members, that is AB. For AB, so this is clockwise movement. For BC is anti-clockwise movement. Okay, what is the intensity calculation? MAB is equal to 36 km/meter. 36 km/meter. You notate here. For DC, MDC is equal to positive. This is negative. That is 36 km/meter. Here, MBA is equal to clockwise direction. For MBA clockwise direction, this is 72 km/meter. For MCD, it is MCD. It is counterclockwise direction. MCD is counterclockwise direction. 72 km/meter. Just this is 36 and this is 72. You join these lines by simply straight line. So this is the variation of BMD diagram for the whatever the given frame. So like that we will going to calculate. We will going to analyze the total frame. Analysis is nothing but finding fixed end moments, finding forces is nothing but analysis. In this we are going to analysis means we have to calculate final end moments. So once again I'll repeat the procedure. In first step we are going to calculate fixed end moments for the individual members. In second step, first step fixed end moments. Second step, formation of slope deflection equations. For the formation of slope deflection equation, you have to remember two equations, simple equations. First one, MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2A by L, 2 theta A plus theta B minus T delta by L. That is the formula. Another equation for the same member, MBA is equal to MFBA plus 2 theta B plus theta A minus T delta by L. That is the formula. So these two formulas you have to remember. So substitute, depending upon the member, you substitute the values of theta A and theta B and theta D and all values. In second step, we'll generate the equations. In third step, we'll form equilibrium equations. In third step, we're going to form equilibrium equations. Okay, depending upon the type of joint it is, we're going to get equilibrium equations. From this, we solve for theta B and theta C. That means rotation we will go will calculate. Substitute these rotation values, theta B and theta C as slope values. Will get final end moments. After calculation of final end moments, we go for the BMD diagram, bending moment diagram. Okay, so this is the problem. Now we'll move to the sway problems. What is meant by sway? Sway is nothing but movement of column with respect to another position. Original position నుంచి వేరే పొజిషన్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, దాన్ని స్వే అంటామండి. నాన్ స్వే అంటే సేమ్ పొజిషన్లో ఇఫ్ ద load and settlement of supports not affecting the movement, horizontal movement of the column or any movement in the in the frame, that is called non-sway frames. Sway frames example చూడండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, లోడ్ అనేది సపోర్ట్స్ అనేది అన్సిమెట్రికల్ గా ఉన్నాయండి, లోడ్ కూడా అన్సిమెట్రికల్ గా ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ది నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్, సారీ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. ఇక్కడ సపోర్ట్స్ సేమ్ లెవెల్లో ఉన్నాయి, లోడ్ అనేది సిమెట్రికల్ గా లేదు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. సపోర్ట్ సేమ్ లెవెల్లో ఉన్నది, మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా డిఫరెంట్ ఉందండి. I1 I2 I1 ఉన్నాయండి, ఇది I2 ఉంది. సిమెట్రిసిటీ లోడ్ అనేది సిమెట్రికల్ లేదు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. చూడండి, ఈవెన్ దో ది సపోర్ట్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్ లెవెల్ and load is symmetrical, but the moment of inertia is different. Moment of inertia, this is I1 I3 I2, different moment of inertia for the different structural members different undandi. So this is also sway frame. So this is also sway frame. So like that we are shown 5 different types of sway frames are there. So these are the sway frames. So what is addition to this non sway frame lo, sway frame lo additional game unte ante additional ga horizontal reactions vastayandi. HA and HD, horizontal reactions at A and horizontal reaction at D rendu vastayandi. How to calculate horizontal reactions అని అంటే we have to take moment about top joint. So the calculation of HA and HD, in addition to this MA and MD, MC and all those things, another reaction will be there, HA and HD. How going to calculate HA and HD? HA and HD are going to calculate by taking moment about top joint. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం మూమెంట్ తీసుకుంటామండి, ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసి మనం మూమెంట్ తీసేసుకుంటే we will get HA value here. If you take moment about this point, we will get HD value here. Okay, so let us suppose we will take moment about B joint B దగ్గర నుంచి మూమెంట్ తీసుకుందామండి for the calculation of HA. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, HA into this length should be equal to MAB plus MBA into P into A. So from that we are going to calculate HA. Simple gain for to getting HA, what we need to, we have to take moment about joint B. To get HD, what we need to do, we have to take moment about joint C. Okay, after getting this one, we have to form a joint equilibrium equation. We have to write equilibrium equation. Equilibrium equation ఏంటంటే అడిషనల్ గా సిగ్మా fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0 అంటే ఏమొస్తుందండి, HA plus HD plus applied load should be equal to 0. ఇది ఒక అడిషనల్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం ఈక్వేషన్ అండి. ఫర్ సాల్వింగ్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ we will get additional equilibrium equations, అడిషనల్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇది కూడా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది మనకి ఫర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ కి, ఇది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. Is it audible? Someone respond.
Yes, sir.
So signal problem is there today because some fluctuation is there, right? We'll see this problem. Analyze the frame shown in figure 1.21a and draw bending moment diagram. So by seeing this figure, the supports are different level. That means we can understand this is a sway frame. ఇక్కడ sway frame అని ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయలేదండి. We have to understand this is a sway frame. Analyze the frame అనడండి. Is a sway frame or non sway frame అని చెప్పలేదు ప్రాబ్లంలో. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లం కూడా స్వే ఫ్రేమ్ నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్ అని చెప్పలేదు. బై సీయింగ్ దట్ ఫిగర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్ ఆర్ నాన్ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ స్వే ఫ్రేమ్. ఇక్కడ మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా పర్ మెంబర్ ఏబి అనేది ఐ ఉందండి, పర్ మెంబర్ బీసీ 2i, మెంబర్ సిడి ఇట్ ఇస్ 2i. length of members are different. For member AB it is 4, member BC it is 6, and member CD is equal to 6. So it will sway frame. So sway frame కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందండి, horizontal translations will be there. Let delta will be the sway shown in figure 12.1b since the axial deformations are assumed to be neglected. చూడండి రెండిట్లో డెల్టా డిఫ్లెక్షన్ అనుకుంటాం, ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఎంత మూవ్ అవుతుంది అది కూడా అంతే మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ ద యాక్సియల్ డిఫార్మేషన్స్ ఆర్ నెగ్లెక్టెడ్, యాక్సియల్ డిఫార్మేషన్స్ కూడా ఉంటే డెల్టా 1 అది డెల్టా 2 అవుతుంది. యాక్సియల్ డిఫార్మేషన్ ఫర్ ది మెంబర్ బీసీ, యాక్సియల్ డిఫార్మేషన్స్ ఫర్ ది మెంబర్ బీసీ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నెగ్లెక్టెడ్ దెన్ డెల్టా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు డెల్టా 1 ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు డెల్టా 2 అవుతుంది. జనరల్గా మన అసంప్షన్ ఏంటంటే యాక్సియల్ డిఫార్మేషన్స్ ఆర్ నెగ్లెక్టెడ్ అని తీసుకుంటాం. కాబట్టి ఎనీహౌ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డెల్టా విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ హియర్ that will represent here. అంటే డెల్టా 1 is equal to డెల్టా 2 అని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ లో. సో మీరు దాని గురించి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డెల్టా ఇస్ హియర్, ద డెల్టా విల్ గెట్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఇన్ స్లోప్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్ what is the first step? First step is calculation of fixed end moments. Calculation of fixed end moments for member AB and member CD. లోడ్ ఏమైనా లోడ్ ఉందా అండి? లోడ్ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి ఫిక్స్డ్ ఎండ్స్ అనేది ఫిక్స్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ అనేది 0 అయిపోతాయి. అంటే ఎంఎఫ్ఏబి, ఎంఎఫ్బిఏ, ఎంఎఫ్సిడి, ఎంఎఫ్డిసి ఆల్ ఆర్ 0. బట్ ఎంఎఫ్బిసి అండ్ ఎంఎఫ్సిబి will be there, that we need to calculate. So MFBC, it is uniform distributor load. For the uniform distributor load, fixed end moment calculation is WL square by 12. W into L square by 12, there is a formula. For left support, it is the moment, fixed end moment is acting counterclockwise direction, so that is a negative. For the right support, the fixed end moment acting clockwise direction, that's why it is positive. So MFBC is equal to minus WL square by 12, that is minus 120 kilonewton meter. For MFCB is equal to WL square by 12, but positive sign 120 kilonewton meter. So first step we are calculated fixed end moments. After that, we have to form slope deflection equations. Okay, చూడండి, if you consider this one, if you see this diagram, member AB and the member DC are deflecting. Deflection will be there. For member BC is in the same position, same level, ఏదైతే లెవెల్ ఉందో అదే లెవెల్ ఉందండి, కిందికి మూవ్ కావట్లేదు. అంటే for member BC deflection is 0. For member AB and member BC DC deflection is delta. You have to consider the deflection delta. Okay, for the calculation of, for the generation of fixed end moments, final end moments slope deflection equations, we have to use these values. For a member AB, formula is MFAB plus 2 theta A 2A by L plus 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula. AB is deflecting. Member AB is deflecting. Deflect అవుతుంది కాబట్టి the delta value also we have to consider for the calculation of, for the generation of slope deflection equation of MAB. MAB calculate చేస్తున్నప్పుడు we have to consider delta value also. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం డెల్టా వాల్యూ తీసుకోలేదండి. ఇది స్వే ఉంది కాబట్టి, మెంబర్ ఏబి అనేది స్వే అయింది కాబట్టి, డిఫ్లెక్షన్ డెల్టాతో స్వే అయింది కాబట్టి we have to consider that delta value also. MAB is equal to MFAB plus 2 EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula. For the member AB, length is 4, MFAB is 0, length is 4, 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. ఇక్కడ for the member A, rotation is 0, theta is 0, for theta A and theta D are 0. Theta A and theta D are 0. Theta A substitute చేసుకుంటే నాకు MAB is equal to 0.5, EI theta B minus 0.375. Okay, right. For member BA, MBA is equal to MFBA plus 2A by L, theta A plus 2 theta by minus 3 delta by L. This is the formula. Substitute theta A is equal to 0 and MFBA is equal to 0. We will form another equation, slope deflection equation MBA. And MBC we will form. Similarly, MCB will form, MCD will form. Okay, like that we will going to form all the slope deflection equations. 6 slope deflection equation will form. After that, third step ఏం చేయాలండి, ఈక్విలిబ్రియం ఈక్వేషన్స్ we need to generate equilibrium equation. We have two joints. We have for this frame we have two joints, joint B and joint C. Sigma MB is equal to 0 and sigma MC is equal to 0. And sigma MB is equal to 0 అంటే MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. Sigma MC is equal to 0 అంటే MCB plus MCD is equal to 0. So these are the two joint equilibrium equations. So దాన్ని మనం ఫామ్ చేసుకొని అనదర్ MBA MBC ఈక్వల్ టు 0 చేయండి. MBA MBC సమ్ చేయండి ఈక్వల్ టు 0 చేయండి. యూ విల్ జనరేట్ అనదర్ ఈక్వేషన్. సిగ్మా MC ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 చేయండి అంటే MCB ప్లస్ MCD ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 సబ్ చేసుకుంటే యూ విల్ ఫార్మ్ అనదర్ ఈక్వేషన్. లైక్ దట్ విల్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ 8 ఈక్వేషన్స్ వచ్చినాయండి. ఇందులో నుంచి we can able to calculate theta B and theta C and delta values. After getting this one, we need to calculate HA and HD. HA and HD we need to calculate. How are you going to calculate HA and HD? By taking, if you want to calculate HA, we have to take moments about this B, support B or joint B. Joint B దగ్గర నుంచి we need to take moments. If you want to calculate HD, we have to take moments about joint C. Okay, this is this one. So HA is equal to here, MAB is acting in this direction, that is a clockwise direction. MAB is acting clockwise direction. MBA is also acting in clockwise direction because of application of load. I'm considering. Next, MDC is acting clockwise direction. MCD is also acting clockwise direction. So now, if you take moment about this joint B, HA into L is equal to 4 meters. HA into 4 meters is equal to MAB plus MBA. So we will get HA is equal to MAB plus MBA by 4 we are getting. Similarly, to get HD, take moment about joint C. Joint C is equal to HD into L. L is equal to HD into L. L is equal to 6 meters. This is acting counterclockwise direction. And that should be equal to MCD plus MDC. MCD is also acting clockwise direction. MDC is also acting clockwise direction. So HD is equal to, we are getting MCD plus MDC divided by 6 we are getting. After getting this HA and HD, we have to form equilibrium equation. Equilibrium equation into sigma fx is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ fx లో యాక్ట్ అయ్యేటి ఏంటంటే x డైరెక్షన్ లో యాక్ట్ అయ్యే ఫోర్స్ ఏంటి, రెండు రియాక్షన్లే కదా, HA అండ్ HD, బోత్ ఆర్ ది రియాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్, రెండు యాక్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో HA plus HD is equal to 0 చేశానండి. HA plus HD is equal to 0 చేశాను. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ సాల్వ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఈక్వేషన్ బై యూజింగ్, చూడండి ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో MAB సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, MBA సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, MCD సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, MDC సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఇవి ఎక్కడి మనం జస్ట్ నౌ వీఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్, జస్ట్ నౌ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినాం కదండి సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో, అవి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ అనదర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ అన్ని ఈక్వేషన్స్ నుంచి యూ విల్ జనరేట్ theta B, theta C and delta values మనకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. theta B and theta C delta value. Here we are getting the EI delta is equal 23.842 వచ్చిందండి. EI delta is equal 23.842 వచ్చింది. EI theta C is equal minus 60.127. EI theta B is equal 72.43. So like that we are getting all these values, rotations and slopes and deflection values we are getting. After getting all these values, substitute ei theta b theta c ei delta value, substitute in slope deflection equations. Second step lo vachina MAB, MBA, MBC, MCD, MCD, MCB, MDC substitute చేయండి. అప్పుడు మీకు ఫైనల్ ఎండ్ మూమెంట్స్ జనరేట్ అవుతాయండి. You will generate final end moments. So final end moment for MAB is equal to 27.274 kN/meter వచ్చిందండి. MBA is equal to 63.489 వచ్చింది. BC is equal to minus 63.5 ఇట్లా వచ్చింది. అన్ని ఫామ్ అయ్యాయండి. Now what we need to do, we have to draw bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram. Okay, ఫస్ట్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ పోర్టల్ ఫ్రేమ్ డ్రా చేసుకోండి. ఫ్రేమ్ ని డ్రా చేసుకోండి. డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత సాగింగ్ మూమెంట్స్ అప్లైడ్ మూమెంట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా. అప్లైడ్ మూమెంట్ ఏంటంటే 40 kN/meter లోడ్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో దానికి సాగింగ్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ కర్వ్ వీ నీడ్ టు డ్రా. సో ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ maximum bending moment due to applied load, that is WL²/8. WL²/8 చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 180 kN/meter వచ్చిందండి. అది వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఫర్ యూనిఫామ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్ లోడ్ ఇస్ ఎ పారాబోలా. పారాబోలాకి డ్రా చేశానండి. ఇక్కడ పారాబోలా maximum intensity of 180 kN/meter I am drawn here. Next, fixed end moment for MBC. Fixed end moment for MBC is counterclockwise direction, that is counterclockwise direction, that is negative 63.566 kN/meter. And MCB is a clockwise direction, that is 88.162 kN/meter. So this is 63.5 and this is 88.162. I am drawn here. Just to join these two lines. Ikkada intensity notate cheyandi, join cheyandi. So for member BC, this is net positive bending moment. For member BC, that hatched portion is a net positive bending moment. This triangle portion is a net negative bending moment. Net negative bending moment. Okay. Next, for MAB, MAB is equal to 27.274. That is clockwise movement. That is positive. I am represented here. Next, MDC is equal to negative. That is anti-clockwise movement. That is minus 48.044 kN/meter. Okay, so like that we're going to calculate fixed end moments and we're going to draw this bending moment diagram for the given conditions. Okay, so another problem is there. I'm given this solution already shared in our course web. You go through this. We have, I'm given brief idea about sway frame and non-sway frame. I'm solved one problem in sway frame and non-sway frame. This, if you have any queries, we'll discuss in the next Monday class. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for attending this session. I'm taking attendance also. Do you have any queries? Okay, thank you everyone. You can leave.